Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hose retaining clip on your washer. The reason why I might have to do this is because the clip is damaged, missing, or broken. For this repair, we'll be using a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do, we're going to tilt our washer back and set it on its back. So right here is our hose that goes from our pump out to the drain area. The hose should actually have another piece on here that secures it to the leg so that it's not dangling down, so that there's a little bit more structure to it. However, this one doesn't, so we'll grab our new OEM replacement hose retaining clip, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So in order to put the hose retaining clip on, it separates just like that when you pull it apart. So we'll just pull it apart and put it over that little spot on the hose there, and then we'll clip it into place, and that just pushes in and locks in there. So this new one is in place. If you ever need to remove your old one though, because the old one's damaged or broken, you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers, and all you have to do is just squeeze in on the two tabs on the side and pull it straight out. Now we can set up our washer, and once we've done that, we can plug everything back in and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.